All right, Christopher Newport, my friends here. You guys have escaped textbook Friday, which the other classes got. The algebra one classes got textbook Friday. The math 8 kids got textbook Friday. I know you guys are learning from the textbook, but what I mean is, in those classes, there's no talking. Everyone's working silently. It should sound like a pin could drop and everyone would hear it. But not in this class because Miss Davis said you all have been a pleasure. Okay, so if that's the case, then let's keep this going. Also, as I look in the organizer, see a lot of green things, and just want to give a shout out to Zachary here. Look at this, Zachary Akiyampong. Look at that, just tearing it up with all those questions. Now 21 through 30. Don't stop there, Zachary. What about 1 through 20? Oh, maybe those were. Well, yeah. Come on. But hey, really, what we want to do is we want to think about. This is about us today. Okay. So we have. I'm gonna update this here, but as I look at the seats from yesterday, we had our table group. We have the class with the textbook organizers completed. Caitlin, Nana, and Darrell, do not leave today without your textbook organizer being attached to Google Classroom. It should have been there yesterday. All right, someone who was the buddy yesterday, Christian, go over to Darrell right now and sit next to him and help him get that textbook organizer completed. And also peace to Caitlin and Nana. Oh, we need to give Nana a partner. So Zachary, you help Joshua. How? You may help Nana. Okay. So let's all get together here and make sure we all understand, because really this is just about practice, knowing the angle pair names and everything else. Also, please update the organizer. So I still see some constructions. This is a construction. It doesn't need to be there. Okay, so make sure your organizer is up to date. I'm definitely going to include this in your grade for this week. Okay, so that construction out of there. And yeah, so another construction. And I don't really see a lot of changes. This is what I have to go by. Someone answer Caitlin's question. All right, I said everyone should be able to answer that. Well, a lot of people anyway. And then Caitlin too, once you answer it for her. But let's talk about Michael's question right here. All right. So everyone write this down. Number 37, power lines. Great question, Michael. A word problem. I love to put those on the quiz. Power lines are not allowed to intersect. It'd be very bad if they did. What must the relationship between power line P and M be? The relationship between power lines P and M? Parallel. All right. What's the relationship between line Q, lines P and M? All right. Is there a picture for this one? I'm thinking there's probably a picture for this one. So for you, Michael, I will open up the textbook. Although it would have been nice if the picture was posted. But anyway, let's open it up. And scroll on down. Aha, okay, there it is, the power line question. Let me go ahead and put that in there for you. All right, please don't forget the pictures to your question. So P and M, they have to be parallel. They don't look parallel because we're looking at it from a weird angle. But P and M being power lines must be parallel, or it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. Q is the transversal relating E and M. All right, that's the relationship there. Great question. Escalators. Can't talk enough about escalators. Escalators consist of steps on a continuous loop that is driven by a motor. At the top and bottom of the platform, the steps collapse to provide a level surface for entrance and exit. Okay, again, picture on 13. Let's go to 45. 45. Can I zoom in? All right, here. What is the relationship between the treads and the ascending stairs? That means stairs going up. So the ascending stairs of the ascending stairs, the treads are parallel. Does everybody see that? If we extended them out, we would get parallel lines. So we're gonna write parallel. What is the relationship between the treads of two steps at the top of the incline? Two steps at the top. Oh. Same line. I don't know. We could say they're the same line, right? Collinear. I would also accept it if you said intersecting. All right, any three of these without further clarification would work. How do the treads of the steps on the incline of the escalator relate to the treads of the steps on the bottom of the escalator? Oh, look at that. Extend out that. They are intersecting. The treads on the bottom are intersecting because they're at a different angle. Interesting question there. And then I think Michael's last question was 13. So Michael, if you can take and open this up and put a screenshot of what I did underneath your problem and then write in your own words what I said, then I'll know if you understood what I just said. All right, 13. Refer all segments parallel to DM. Here's DM right here. And as I look around this pentagonal prism, I see that EN is parallel to DM. Anything going in the same direction. AJ, put my little segment bar on the top. BK. And also CL. All right, so I think that's all the red questions that I saw today. Short video. I'll finish updating today's tasks and then continue working together as a group. Don't get a bad sub report. Keep getting good sub reports so we can keep the dream alive. And then I'll check back with you on Monday. Bye, everyone.